Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free. In this video today, we will see why you are not receiving badge icon notification or sound notification when you are getting SMS in your iPhone. Now for this one, we will go to settings. We will scroll down and go to notifications. We will scroll down and look for messages. Right now, if you see allow notifications, it is turned off. So turn it on, then go to sounds, and instead of none you have to select any of these sound. Then the other thing which you will do is you have to enable badge app icon so that you can see the notification, how many messages you have received. You also will have to enable show on lock screen. So once you do all of these settings, next time when you receive an SMS, you will see badge icon on SMS app icon, and also you will hear this sound. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.